Good afternoon, everybody. Myself Rajan Prasad Gupta, under the research scholar under the supervision of Professor Rakesh Pandey. I am here to present my paper on salutogenous approach to understand health and well-being and overview. I think health can be, according to WHO, a state of health as defined as a state of complete mental, physical and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. What is salutogenesis? Come to the point. Salutogenesis can be described as an approach which focuses on the factors that support human health and well-being. It considers how to create, enhance and improve physical, mental health and well-being. The term salutogenesis was pioneered by Aaron Antonovsky. Since the origin of salutogenic researchers are focusing more on positive aspects of health and well-being, there exists a lots of studies in relation to positive health and well-being. It consists the several factors like resilience, well-being, locus of control, coping, sense of coherence, emotion, intelligence, hardiness, alert, hopefulness, optimism, empowerment, etc. Salutogenic approach deals with the enhancement of human health and well-being. The salutogenic perspective focus on three aspects. First is focus on problem solving, finding solutions, generalized resistance resources and sense of coherence. Sense of coherence consists three components. First, indeed, the pathogenic factors and salutogenic factors. Pathogenic factors begin with the disease problem, and salutogenic factors begin with the potential, health potential. And it minimization of problem, and salutogenic we think the optimization of potential is against the pathogenic factor against the disease and infirmity, and salutogenic factor for health only. Early salutogenic researchers have focused on the diseases and have not fully embraced salutogenic outcomes such as optimal well-being. Antonovsky believed that salutogenic approach is baseline for the developing and enhancement of health and well-being. It is assumed that various salutogenic factors increase human potential and regulate cognitive emotional mechanisms in such a way that it not only enhances the psychological immunity of the individual for combating with the psychological pathogens, but also promotes health, positive functioning and well-being. However, the review indicates that there is still a need to explore the exact mechanism through which various salutogenic factors lead to better health and well-being. It was also evident from the present review that pathogenic and salutogenic factors have been studied separately and not in the relation to each other. It has been speculated that since both salutogenic and pathogenic factors coexist in the individual in a certain amount, a better understanding of the health status of an individual may be developed by examining the net effects of these factors. It is speculated that when salutogenic factors will overweigh the pathogenic factors, then it will lead to better health. The reverse is likely to be associated with poor health. However, such speculation needs empirical verification. You can see the factors in which we can speculate the issue. Yes, sir. यहाँ हम ये कह सकते हैं कि अगर salutogenic फैक्टर किसी जीव व्यक्ति में ज्यादा होगा तो वो हेल्दी ज्यादा होगा. salutogenic फैक्टर ये बताता है कि हम डिजीज को कम करने पर ना फोकस करें बल्कि उसको प्रमोट करने पर फोकस करते हैं. वहाँ पे जो salutogenic फैक्टर ब्लू कलर में salutogenic फैक्टर्स को दिखाया गया है कि जिसमें ज्यादा salutogenic फैक्टर्स रहेंगे और कम पैथोजेनिक फैक्टर्स रहेंगे, वो उसमें डिजीज की संभावना कम होगी. ये इल हेल्थ फैक्टर्स दिखा रहा है, स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, एक्सेट्रा को. और reverse is the pathogenic factor जब पैथोजेनिक फैक्टर्स ज्यादा रहेंगे, अमाउंट इसका ज्यादा रहेगा और सैल्यूटोजेनिक फैक्टर्स के अमाउंट कम रहेंगे किसी वेट में, तो उसमें डिजीजेस की संभावना ज्यादा होती है और हेल्दी रहने की कम संभावना, पॉजिटिव हेल्थ की संभावना कम होती है। ये दिखा रहा है कि ये हेल्थ फैक्टर जो स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन, एंजाइटी एक्सेट्रा, ये लाइन जो ये बता रही है कि साइकोलॉजिकल इम्यून सिस्टम हो या फिजियोलॉजिकल इम्यून सिस्टम हो, ये इसको क्रॉस करके व्यक्ति के अंदर घुसता और उसको डिस्टर्ब कर देता है। थैंक यू।